Alright, now it's time to change this tire, guys. Time to get this tire off of this rim, because this rim is good. Oh man, we got a little bit of, it's kind of messed up right there a little bit, guys. Lord, it is, but what the hell, who cares? Okay, now we gotta change this. You see, it's burnt. We already got the other one, so we gotta change this one. Got a couple of used tires for both of the fronts. I'm gonna change both of them out. Lord, should have had my other camera. Okay, all right. Gotta change this one out with this one, okay? We got two of these that we're gonna put on here. Well, not here. To the Denali. Yeah, so that's what we gotta do. Alright. I think I'm just gonna put this video inside of another video because it's a short one. I don't know what these people are gonna say because these are 22s, right? Last time, I think I had 24s that I was going to switch over, and they told me they couldn't do it. The machine don't go up to 24. Hopefully it goes up to 22. Should. A lot of things have 22s now, right? Right? I think so. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, we're here at Grease Monkey. Now, you see it? Grease Monkey. We are getting that tire put on. I hope that sensor on there is good because I told him I had the sensor, but he didn't say anything. So hopefully if it's good, then we don't need to put this new one on, right? If it's not, then we have to. Yeah. But yeah, we're here. It costing more and more to put these tires on, guys. It cost me $34 just to change a tire. Just to change and take one tire off one rim and put it on the other, guys. $34. Yeah? You see, very high, very expensive. But I want to get this thing off the ground, you see? I want to get it off the ground. So this is what we have to do. Now we got to do the other one as well. Oh, Lord. We got to do that other one because it's cracking up. So that's how it goes. That is how it goes. So this thing don't work, if this truck don't get fixed, guys, I really blew it. Yeah? I mean, when I say I blew it, I blew it. I blew it big time. Super big time. I could have basically paid for one on a lot. Close. This is a big blooper. If I don't get this truck working or that engine is really, something is really wrong with that engine, I am done. You'll see, I'm done. Can you guys help me out? I need subscribers. I need subscriber, guys. Because that will help me out a lot. If I can get some subscribers. I want to have 200 by the end of this year. Help me out. Let's reach 200 subscribers by the end of this year. 200 or more. 200 or more, guys. I would love 1,000, but I know that's not going to happen. I know know that's not gonna happen, see? I know it's not gonna happen. But 2 is doable, you know? 200 is doable. You see, 200 is doable. I don't think that's asking for too much. So if you're looking at this video right now, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you know? And keep watching. We might finish it, we might not, guys. We might use it for parts if it don't get fixed. Because honestly, I think I can make a lot of money off this truck for parts. It's gonna take longer. Yeah. It's gonna take a lot longer to do. But I definitely think it's doable. It's doable. Just gonna take forever. Yeah. It's gonna take forever, but it's doable. You see? It's very, very doable. So that's what we're gonna hope for. We're gonna hope for it, that it does work. This engine will turn over, and we're gonna do it right here on this channel. The good, the bad, and the ugly. You know? Whether it's good or whether it's bad, you see? Whether it's good or whether it's bad, we're going to do that. Yeah? So I'm still waiting. They're put the tire on. Hopefully everything goes good. Good. Hopefully everything goes good. So we can go put it back on the truck and get it off the ground. And then we're closer to where we want to be. Alright, guys. I'll see you back at yard 1. Deuces. Alright, guys. They couldn't do it for some reason. You gotta watch it because these people out here today, they're trash. You know? So I might have to buy a new wheel, but I'm not gonna do it. Somehow I'm gonna get this tire off of here on my own. You gotta do everything on your own, right? You gotta do everything on your own. Somehow I get it off of here and clean it up and see what it's worth and see what we're gonna do, because these things cost these wheels right here alone gonna cost over $250, $300. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's adding up. It's adding up. Ugh. Man, if you couldn't do it, just say I can't do it. We don't have a machine big enough for 22s. Yeah, that's all they had to say. Sorry, sir, with the wheel, this is too big for our machine. We don't have a machine that can fit 22s. No, that's all they had to say. We can't do it. The wheel has become one with the rim. This don't look like it become one with the rim to me. Only thing, you have to put that little thing in there and let it roll off. Obviously, they just don't have a machine big enough that can handle this. Now, if that's the case, y'all don't need to be in business. Grease Smoke is a popular place. How in the world? Lord. Jeez Louise. So I'm still gonna keep this wheel. I'm not getting a new wheel right now. Maybe once we find out this thing and see if it works or whatever, but see if we can get this truck running. But if we can't get it running, why even get a rim? Alright, so I'm gonna keep this one. get the tire off of it, go to somebody who can actually handle 22s and ask them to do what these clowns couldn't do. Yeah, you see? Hopefully they didn't screw the rim up. It's hard finding good help. It's hard finding good help out here, guys. Yep. What kind of thing to take the screw these off? How you get these things off? I'm about to say, look, we got one good one, but no. We need all these. All of them are somewhat melted. But this is a good wheel, man. Because they couldn't get the wheel, the other tire on. And what make me say that is, let me show y'all. Now, they probably done this ahead of time. Probably did this ahead of time, but they greased it. See? They greased the tire, and it looks kind of chewed up too. Damn. Oh, excuse my language, guys. You can't trust people no more. Trying to cost me more money, guys. Trying to cost me more money. Jesus. Trying to cost me more money. Money that I don't have. Oh, Lord. Okay, guys. At another tire place they said they can do it, so we're about to get it, see if we can get it on. I think some other people just didn't know what they were doing, or they was just tired and ready to go home. I don't know what was it, so we'll check it out when it's done. Yeah. See? We will check it out when they get it on. And I'll see you at yard 2. Now, we got a different tire place. Here at a different tire place. That's what it is. But I had to take the tire off the rim myself. I had to take that old tire off because they couldn't do it, so I had to do it. You know? You'll see. So I will get back with you and let you know something very soon. Alright, guys, you see it. We have the tire on the wheel now. See? This right here is what you gotta take. The person last night was just lazy. He was either lazy and just wanted to go home or something. I don't know what it was. He was lazy and he just told me a lie and tried to act like my wheel was bad, you see? He tried to say my wheel was bad, guys. And he couldn't get it on. He couldn't take the other one off because it was bad. That's hog crap. You know? That's hog crap. This guy got this thing on here with no problem, guys. Looks good. Yeah. It looks good. He got it on here and it looks good. Yeah. So now I have to go to yard 1 and put it on, you see? But it's kind of raining out here today. It's kind of raining out here today, so I think I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do that. So this wheel is good enough, guys. It is good enough for us to keep. I think. I don't see anything much really wrong with it. Besides, we gotta buy these little things in the middle right here. When it's on a vehicle, it ain't gonna hurt a thing. Now I can buy another wheel, right? And just keep this one as a spare. Yeah, I can do that. I can buy another wheel and keep this one as a spare. That's right. I can buy another wheel and keep this one as a spare. We can do that. That makes sense. So we might do that. I don't know. Yeah, but I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Sure do. It looks pretty good. Yeah, it do. It do. We can work with this. We can work with this for right now. We do not have to buy another one. We might buy another one later on and put that one on there, and we will use this as a spare. You see? So we might do that. But right now, this one is going on the Yukon, guys. It's going on the Yukon. It is. Yes, it is. It is going on there, and it looks good. All right. Until the next time, guys. We'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Yard 1, 2, 3, or 4.